So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to enable flash notification on your iPhone. So it's step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to enable your flash notification here in your iPhone, it's pretty simple. Head into your settings, and then from there, all you have to do is find your accessibilities. So here is accessibility, then go to your audio and visuals, basically. So here's audio and visuals, and then here in the very bottom, just press LED flash for alerts. So over here you can on and off it for LED for alerts, or even when it's flash while unlocked, or even flash when it's silent mode. So there you go. Basically, you can also prevent LED flashes when your iPhone is in silent mode by turning off flash on silent. So it depends on you if you want to on this or not, because sometimes there might be privacy concerns whether you are even using this. So it alerts people around you have a notification, but they might interpret it that they're taking a picture of them. So there you go. Basically, that is how you on your flash notifications on your iPhone. So there you go guys, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.